All right, guys, happy new year to everyone. Oh man, I got my last ride on Twisted Timbers, and I guess this year is gonna be no exception. I'll be getting my first ride on Twisted Timbers this year. Today I'm at Kings Dominion, as you saw from the title. It is literally New Year's Day, so let me get some stabilization here. But yeah, it's New Year's Day. I'm headed to there right now. It's gonna be a pretty quick vlog, but I figured I might as well do a little bit of vlogging. It is the new year after all. But after that, I guess I'm headed to Pantheon because I can't wait to go to member preview very soon. I will talk to y'all soon. Guys, so I met another fan just like at Busch Gardens. This is, what's your name, man?
Josh Fox.
This is Josh. I'll link his Instagram down below. But yeah, he's actually from Kansas City. His home park is what is it, Worlds of Fun?
Yeah,
Worlds of Fun. So I know they haven't got much. I've never been there. Maybe one day. That's pretty far for me, but he's actually just visiting here because of the holidays and whatnot. So yeah, it was nice meeting you, man. Happy New Year. I know you got to get to your friend, but thank you for coming, man.
welcome.
You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
Okay, guys, I'm chilling by the fireplace right now because it's freezing outside. I'm gonna ride Dominator and then I'm heading out. It is so cold out here. Like I had to get some heat. I'm wearing gloves and it's still freezing out here. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
I drive from your place. Miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
All right, guys, that is gonna conclude my day at Kings Dominion. It was absolutely freezing today. I think it's like 30-something degrees right now. That's basically the first part of the new year. So happy New Year once again to everyone. And thank you all for watching and being with me. The Copland Smiths video probably is gonna come before this one. We did an awesome job last year. Thank you all so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing. And I know this year we're definitely going to probably hit maybe like 5,000 subs. That's what I'm pushing for at least. Hopefully we even get more than that. Thank you all for watching once again. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this and enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And until next time, you guys, peace out.